Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. It's about one of our favorite TV series, Yellowstone. New Yellowstone Season 4 video makes it pretty clear that somebody is dying soon. Do watch this video till the end to know the full details. 10 months have already passed since Yellowstone ended its deadly Season 3 finale. And now Paramount Network has finally let their fans know when Season 4 will be coming around. To showcase the aftermath of all the attacks that happened on the various Dutton family members. Having to wait for Season 4 until the fall sucks. But at least we're pretty sure that Kevin Costner's John Dutton is going to survive long enough for Cole Huss's Reap to save him. With that being said, we have yet to learn what happened to Kelly Riley's Beth or Luke Grimes' case. And promo of the new Season 4 teaser is a major sign that somebody's death is on the way. Although Yellowstone didn't come right out and show their fans tombstones for any of the drama's heavy hitters, we think all of us can agree that bringing a crow into the mix is definitely an indication that death is on the horizon. We guess it could technically be a sign that John Dutton is a huge fan of Brandon Lee's final film, but that's probably a little too random for Yellowstone Season 4 promo. It looks very much like the things are going to get bloody and temporarily painful for certain folks when the show returns, and the fact that the crow is coupled with Season's Revenge is worth the wait tagline makes it very likely that the Dutton family is going to go on a retaliatory rampage in Season 4, though probably after doing some healing first. With 3 different but coordinated attacks on John Dutton and his children, fans can't be 100% sure that a single threat is responsible for them all. But it's not exactly the hardest assumption to guess that some of the less virtuous members of the Market Equities team were behind Case and John's assaults and Bates' office bombing. The fact that Season 4 will introduce Jackie Weaver as the CEO of Market Equities proves that narrative is digging deeper into this land-seeking group. And we all know that John isn't going to roll over and give anyone what they want, regardless of his enemies or his children, and especially not if he's in vengeance mode. While revenge is worth the wait, initially it seemed like it was more of a self-aware tagline directed at the fans who have suffered through months of radio silence about Season 4's impending debut. It seems very clear now that it's a reflection of what viewers will be seeing in Season 4, which means we probably shouldn't expect the season premiere to immediately jump into Reap Willer, but it is coming. Even if it was only Case who suffered an attack, Reap would still whoop the shit out of whoever is responsible. But when Beth and John are also thrown in there, we will be surprised if Reap doesn't murder an entire town just to make sure the guilty party has been brought to justice. Not to rain on any fans' parade, but just because the crow seems like it's only there in correlation with the idea of Dutton-fueled revenge. It's not like there are any guarantees in this teaser that John, Beth, Case and Jimmy will all survive their respective situations. Jimmy knocked himself out after falling off his horse, scaring some of the fans, but considering he's already tapped to head up the Yellowstone spin-off, tentatively titled 6666, we can't see how he would get killed off on the flagship drama. As for now, we will remain hopeful that all the Duttons will survive each of the upcoming Season 4 episodes. Just as it goes before every season starts, Yellowstone has yet to confirm a concrete premiere date for its return to Paramount Network for Season 4. Till then, all we can do is wait to hear for more updates officially. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Yellowstone as it comes in. We will have all the burning Yellowstone spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.